Another set of local flavors will tickle your palate as Helen displays her kitchen powers.
Naku, mas masarap yan dahil gawa ng iyong mga kamay.
Indulge and enjoy what she is about to prepare for all of us that will send our taste buds wanting for more.
Sobrang lasa. This sago is a pleasant surprise. The
Bagay
dumpling.
nga siya.
Tita, you're the best.
Join me as we go on another food escapade of flavors right here in my kitchen. Welcome to my playground. In all my years as a wife, mother, and friend, I have one special way of showing my love, and that's through food. I love cooking for the special people in my life. At paswerte ako kasi for many generations in my family, maraming unique recipes ang binigay ng lola ko sa nanay at ipinasa rin ng nanay ko sa akin. Now, I want to share some of them with you. Ako si Helen Gamboa Soto. I have some special dishes for you with lots of love from Helen's Kitchen. There is nothing like enjoying an afternoon with family and friends, accompanied by a blast of flavors. Busog ka na, masaya ka pa. But before we dig into today's dishes, let me call in my gorgeous sister-in-law, Pauline.
Hello,
Hi, my dear.
Ate Helen.
Wow naman, mukha naman.
Student. Nakulutuan na naman tayo today. At syempre, kainan, the best part. Pero hindi lang basta lutuan at kainan nito dahil may kasama pang kwentuhan.
Yes.
Mas masarap ang kwentuhan kung masarap din ang kainan. Vice
Yes.
versa.
It's time to call in our guests for today. Please welcome another gorgeous lady, Marjorie Barreto. Come in! Oh, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so glad to have you here. Oh, I know, Marge, na mahilig ka rin magluto,
Yes,
di
for
ba?
my kids. Kailangan laging
Siyempre, yun naman talagang pinagluluto mo talaga.
Oo.
Kaya nag-i-inspire ka lalo magluto, di ba?
Yes, Tita, you're my
So-
idol.
So, tell me, just in case na sasabihin namin ni Pauline, pagluluto mo kami ng pagkain,
Yes.
ano ipiprepare mo?
Tita, yung paulit-ulit na pinapaluto sa akin ng mga anak ko para sa kanila is always my version of baked chicken.
Okay.
Always. My salpicao.
Wow.
They like my lasagna. And whatever pasta I prefer.
Parang marami.
Marami, pero paulit-ulit.
Are they big eaters?
They are. Pag kumain, kasi lagi naman magda-diet mga babae, di ba? Mga dalaga.
And you have
conscious na.
Four girls.
girls.
But pagka gusto na nila kumain, grabe naman kumain. Sobra.
Teka, nung bata ka pa, talaga bang gusto mo na magluto o you only learned how to cook when you got married?
I learned when I got married na.
Pareho tayo.
Yes. Although my mom is
Pero-
a really good cook.
Yeah, usually ganun.
Yes. Oo.
We tell it from our moms,
Yes.
diba? Ganun talaga eh.
So, natuto na lang ako and na-enjoy ko.
Oo,
Talaga, it's a
teka.
language of love pala. No?
Oh,
It's a
yung
love-
favorite ko, si Julia.
Oh.
Does she know how to cook?
Not yet, pero tita, nakapag ano na siya, she's building her house, her own house.
I know, nako, I'm so happy
and
for
she's
her.
already telling me na to teach her na how to cook. Kasi,
You
so she
should.
can. Because I want her
Start
to also open her house to,
Ang cute
to
naman.
friends.
That's
Nakaka-proud
very
naman yun.
nice.
I'm going to, tita, I'm going to prepare a notebook and put all their favorite recipes that I make for them.
Yes,
so
that's
each
good.
one of them will have in their house.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's very good.
Ate Marjorie, di ba Ilonggo ka?
Yes, my mom is.
Perfect ang iluluto natin today.
Why? What's our
Dahil
Yes.
Ilonggo ka.
Oh, yes, this is one of the most popular Ilonggo
Oh,
dishes.
yes.
Molo soup.
Wow!
Marjorie. Come on, tell us what our ingredients
Okay.
are.
2 liters of chicken stock, 1/8 kilo of ground pork, 1/8 kilo of shrimp, of course, molo wrapper, 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of spring onion, 1/4 kilo of chicken breast, pepper, salt, 2 pieces of egg, 2 tablespoons oil, and bago to sa akin, tita, 1 cup sago.
Yes.
This is new to me.
Hindi pa ako nakakain ng molo supud sago.
Oo, kasi
Interesting.
naisip ko lang na pagka magluluto ako ng molo, mas masarap pag merong sago.
Wow.
Para may
then,
extra
oo,
kagat.
extra. Kasi hindi ba parang, they call it parang maligat, they say. Parang
Makunat.
makuna to. Oh, another word is, yun, that's what I hear, no? At saka masarap siya pagkasama sa molo
Molo
soup.
soup.
So, shall we start?
Yes,
Let's start.
Yeah, you
Yan,
can
tita,
pour
yan
it
hindi ako marunong
here.
gumawa niyan.
Yan. Okay. You notice the orange thing on
On
top?
top, the first
Okay.
layer.
That came from the shrimp,
Head. Shrimp head. Okay.
Kasi di ba, inaano na yun?
Dinidikdik.
Dinidikdik yun. What I do, didikdikin yun, tapos i-strain mo siya para kukunin mo lang yung katas.
yung juice
para,
ng chicken.
yes,
Ano,
para mas
shrimp head.
masarap ang molo soup.
Oh.
Yes,
wow.
tapos pag sinaserve mo yun, humihiwalay yung orange thing na yun.
Thank you.
Another.
For that
Yes.
information.
Another
For
tip.
that wonderful information.
Yan.
Kaya mas malasa, no? Kasi may added flavor.
Mainit ba siya? Okay, mainit.
Okay.
Now, first, pagsasama-samahin ko the ground pork and the ground shrimp. Tapos, lagyan natin ito.
Pepper.
Yes. Okay.
Tita, yung tansya-tansya lang? Hindi ka
Well,
sumusunod ng...
yes, kasi as you cook, makikita mo na, ay ganito lang ang kailangan pag 1/4 kilo. You know already,
Oo.
kaya
Alam
by
mo na.
calculation, malalaman mo na yon. There.
And then, dinagdagan natin ng salt.
Yes, that is so.
Parang ganyan din,
You
tita.
know, palagi kong sinasabi na malinis ang ating mga kamay.
Kamay.
Kasi mas, ewan ko ba, pag nagluluto, syempre dapat kinakamay.
Oh, yes, that's right.
At saka kung sa bahay
Yeah.
talaga, kinakamay talaga yan
Yes,
eh.
so pork, shrimp, pepper,
Salt,
and now egg.
yung ating egg. Yan. There, you can just throw it there. Yan.
Ito parang ganyan
2
ng siomay.
eggs. Something like this. Pero, basta masarap to. So, mine.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead, Ate
That's
Helen.
better.
Naku, mas masarap yan dahil gawa ng iyong mga kamay.
Ayan, ano.
Tsaka mas na
Oo,
mix
mahalo mo.
kapag kamay ang ginamit.
Haluin mo. There.
Comfort food yan eh.
Yes, it
Molo
is.
soup.
Yan. Okay, now we'll do the molo
The
wrappers.
molo,
Yes.
okay. Paano ba ito?
Ayan, meron like this.
We will watch.
Oo, you can do it also. Okay.
Anyway, kukuha lang.
So, small amount. Actually, nakikita ko ginaganon lang yun.
Konti-konti lang ba? Parang hindi rin
Oo.
sumabog.
Oo. Jutay lang.
Jutay lang.
Ayan. Tapos, ayan. There. Mas maganda nga itong 4 corners. O, yun, o. Ganun lang, o. Di ba?
Yun.
O. Diyan natin nilalagay
Yeah, I
isa-isa.
want to try also.
Yes, yes.
Tita.
Okay.
Can I mix it?
Do it.
Yeah, I want to mix
Do it.
Isa
Yan.
tayo, ate.
Pag uwi ko, magluluto na ako nito.
Okay.
Small part lang.
So,
Small portion.
While you do that,
Okay.
I will make gisa.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll saute.
Busy-busy ang kitchen ni Ate Helen.
Oh,
Maraming
sarap.
kamay na gumagawa.
Alam mo, you know, I had a friend before from Molo. Talagang she's from Molo. So, nakita ko kung paano niya ginagawa ito, nagluluto, ng ganito. Pero, syempre, yung sa kanya, yan talaga traditional molo soup. Ako na lang ang
Dagdag.
yung sago, tapos kung paano ilalagay yung
I'm so proud.
shrimp.
I'm so proud of my masterpiece.
Yes. Can I have the onions?
okay.
Pauling? Okay.
I'm so proud of that
Oo nga, ako rin,
one
ha?
molo.
Naku, palagay ko, yung mga anak mo matutuwa pagka nagluto ka
Yes.
nito. There. Tapos,
Like what I said
pa.
kanina, ngayon lang ako nakakain ng
Garlic.
molo na may hipon.
Talaga?
Kasi,
Parang pork
Baka
lang.
nagtipid sa shrimp.
kasi, alam mo, pag pinagsama mo talaga, most often than not, pag pinagsama mo ang pork
And
at saka shrimp, mas masarap.
Mas malinam
Hindi
na.
pwedeng, ako, I don't do it na puro pork. Talaga nilalagyan ko siya ng shrimp. Kasi mas masarap siya. Yan. See?
Tita, the shrimp, niluto po ba
You have-
ito? Tapos,
Yes,
rinaw?
you have to get
Cook
yung
first.
talagang fresh.
Okay.
Para maski na pagka halimbawa, isa-serve mo na siya,
Oo.
talagang masarap na siya.
Okay, tapos
Now, if
slice.
you notice, I am sauteing
Oo.
the onions and the garlic.
Garlic,
Then
okay.
you will add, ako kasi ganitong ginagawa ko, nilalagyan ko ng chicken breast.
Okay.
This is for the soup. Ito, mamaya ko pa ilalagay kasi pag natapos nyo ng dalawa yan, yan ang ihuhulog natin dito sa soup. Yan. Tapos ito, lalagay natin after na lang.
Ito po.
Yan, akin na. Sige,
Yeah.
get ready
Finish
here.
para?
Ayan, sige. Look some, make some more.
Opo.
Yan,
Gawa
yan.
ko.
Yan. Baka makahabol pa. When it's boiling na,
Okay.
boiling na siguro.
Yes!
That's it. Put it down.
Boiling. So, ang heat niya, tita, pag
Oh,
nagbo-boil,
here.
high heat
So,
ka agad?
we'll drop it. Yan, one by one. Kasi hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay. Yan. Yan. Here. Here.
Maganda to, kunwari, buong pamilya
Yan.
nyo gagawa kayo ng molo. Ang bilis lang, no?
Nakita mo, Marge? No, may hiwala yung,
Parang yung
sa shrimp.
yung
diba?
orange part.
Oo. See?
amoy pa lang, masarap na.
Oo.
Pwede tong bonding, Ate Marjorie, with your kids.
Yes, pwedeng-pwede. Na-enjoy
Yes.
nilang gumawa
I'm sure they will love it.
Sabi
Lalo
mo,
na yung
padamihan.
Yeah.
Oo,
Damihan ang magawa ng mall, may
Magamihan
prize.
ng dumpling. Okay.
Yan. We will just wait for it to rise up.
Oh,
Yan. Ah, ito pa.
hindi natatakpan, tita.
We will. Naantay ko. Nasa daw nga hikans. Okay. Takpan ko na.
Wait, tita,
Okay, yeah.
ilipat ko muna to. Can
Yes.
I? Para malapit kay Pauline.
Yes, do it.
Para
May dito.
maano na.
Project.
There. Okay. The
Careful.
switch.
Ayan. There, tita.
Then,
You can go back
that's when I
there.
put this.
Ayun
Drop
na,
it.
ang sago.
Ayun na ang
Yan
sago.
ang ating surprise ingredient.
Tapos, I will put this
Lalagay na
too.
natin.
Yes.
Pampalasa rin na naman yung garlic.
Yes. Naku, lahat
Oo,
ito.
correct. Lahat.
I'm telling you.
I can tell, tita. I can smell. Sana naamoy nila.
Diba? Oh.
Okay.
There.
Pwede natin ito ihabol, Ate Helen. O next batch na to.
Next.
Next batch
Okay,
na.
okay.
Yan.
Wow.
Ang bango!
Tapos, when it's done,
Okay.
ibubuhos ko na to.
Okay.
Spring onions.
Yeah, the spring onions. Para pag nag-serve ka na, it's still parang medyo fresh pa siya. Kaya masarap siyang kainin.
So, hindi na, luto na yan, tita, no? So, it's just
Yes, oo. Luto na lahat eh. Oo.
Pinapablend mo lang yung taste.
Oo, biniblend ko lang.
Yan.
You know, pag nagluluto ka, hindi mo maalis Na?
Of course, kailangan makasiguro tayo.
Yes.
Yes, na
Ganun
yes.
daw eh. Yes na yes.
Yes.
Isang perfect kapartner ng ating molo soup naman ang ating gagawin when we return from Helen's
Kitchen!
Up next from Helen's Kitchen.
Okay.
Itong dalawa
So, that's
talaga to,
another
parang
two.
it goes well
Go,
together.
yes. Para bang
Parang Helen at Tito. Wow!
the cooking continues here on From Helen's Kitchen at kasama pa rin namin ni Pauline, si Marjorie Barreto.
Again.
Lahat ng daughters mo magaganda.
Correct.
Ano
Thank
ang
you, Lord.
pinag-uusapan nyo pagka kayo-kayo lang? Clothes, makeup tips? As a mother, strict ka ba sa kanila? Or
I'm not strict with them,
Yes.
tita. I try to, no, but sasabi ko lang sa mga anak ko na you can have 1 million friends in this world, but you can
Yes.
only have one mother.
That's true.
So I cannot always be just a friend to you.
That's
At the
true.
end of the day, I
You
have
can-
to be a mom.
Yes, you can be everything.
Wala
to
na eh.
them.
Wala na sila ibang mom. Diba?
Totoo
So,
yun.
yan, ganun. Mutual respect and love na lang kaming mag-iiwan.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Question naman, paano mo ba natuturuan yung anak mo na mamili ng kaibigan, mamili ng boyfriend,
Ay, ang
mamili
hirap
ng girlfriend?
You were getting there.
Ay, getting there. Hindi pa naman, I don't know, kasi iba-iba ang parenting. Some parents can say straight out, hindi yan okay.
And also, iba-iba ang bata.
Pero ewan ko ha, pero mga anak ko kasi, parang kasi I open my house to their friends. Parang so far, thank you Lord, wala namang ganong nakita kong may bad influence na friends na dumating.
Yes.
So far, I don't know how it would be.
You know, just a little tip. And di ba, you should tell your children to choose their friends.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi nagiging ganun yung ugali din nila eh, kung sino
You're
yung
right.
kasama nila.
You're right. Pero parang okay yung choice of friends. I trust na okay naman pa and a lot of prayers talaga, tita, no?
Oo, pero buti na lang, malayong-malayo.
Ay, malayo-malayo pa talaga. Thank you,
Ka na ngayon pa lang.
Wag muna tayong magmadali. Anak? Wag muna tayong magmadaling magdalaga. As of now, magluto na lang muna tayo.
Nervous
Yes! At eto na, ready to be cooked is our lumpiang sariwa.
Wow.
Marjorie, what are our ingredients?
Our ingredients are, for the lumpia filling, 1 kilo of upod,
Yes.
1/4 chicken breast, fish sauce or patis, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 medium onion, 3 tablespoons oil. Ayun.
Yun ang para sa lumpia.
Okay, so
Consider natin
ito na.
first.
We're ready. Oh, put this on. And
Hindi naman
then-
masyadong marami ang ingredients.
Yeah, hindi naman. Here
Tsaka lang.
is the oil.
Oil.
Yes.
Nakaslice na yung
Ayan.
upod and the chicken.
Yes, I
na.
had it. Tsaka pinaboil ko na siya
Okay.
para hindi tayo talagang forever dito.
Alam mo, Miss Marjorie, yan ang strategy ng mommy ko sa akin nung bata
Oh.
ako. Because I was never allowed to sleep over.
Oh, totoo yan.
Sa mga
none of
bayag.
us.
Never.
Also, never.
So, ang ginagawa niya, binubuksan niya yung bahay namin para yung friends ko, sila yung nagsisleep
Yeah, that's
over sa
true.
amin.
Ganon din ang
So,
mami ko.
in a way, na-experience ko pa rin yung sleepover, but I'm in my own home.
Oo. If you notice, inuna ko na naman yung onion.
Yes, tita.
Kasi nga, pagka nauna ang garlic,
Okay.
sunog na yung garlic mo bago
so laging onions.
luto sila. Kaya inuuna ko itong onions tapos garlic para pag naluto sila sabay.
Okay.
Okay?
Pero itong dalawang
that's
talaga to,
another
parang
two.
it goes well
Go,
together.
yes! Para bang...
Parang
kung-
Helen at Tito. Wow!
Ganda na.
Kailangan talaga together. Kung hindi, parang kulang.
Oh my
Kulang talaga.
gosh! Ayan.
Napa-umay pa si
Enough
Ate
to-
Helen.
Kasi baka ano masabi mo? Lalo na si Direk. Okay. Tapos, lalagay ko na ito.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Na
Yan.
naka-shred na.
Yes, shredded na yan.
Hirap na rin nowadays
Oo.
eh. With kids, no? Parang, yeah. It's
Diba?
really different from our time.
Grabe ang pressure.
Oo. Ay, malayong-malayo kayo nung time ko.
Iba naman ang pressure nun, tita.
Kasi noon, yung mga nanliligaw sa akin,
Yee! Okay, let's
oh,
start.
this is
Okay.
true.
True story,
As
tita,
God
no?
can hear me.
Okay.
Noon, Diyos ko, ang mami ko, halimbawa mag-iimbita na ng dinner o yung mga naliligaw sa ang kasama ko mami ko 24 hours a day hanggang toilet hanggang kasama ko mami ko.
Question, Ate Helen,
Yes.
was she like that to all her daughters?
No, just
with you?
because I'm the
Kaya.
only one in showbiz.
Well, that's
Takot na takot siya. She would always tell me na, naku, madaming wolves. Sabi niya.
That's true.
Kaya raw mabuti na yun nandiyan siya. Kaya pag tinignan mo yung kanyang bag na malaki, Diyos ko, kung ano makikita mo doon. Sus, naku, I better not mention. But you will laugh talaga.
But you're so grateful naman she's like that.
Ay nako, talaga naman. I can never thank my mom enough.
for everything
I
she
thank
does for
her.
you.
I'm so grateful.
That's so
First
nice
to
to
God,
hear, no?
second to her. Yan.
Ano lang naman eh, I think that's a phase when you don't understand your mom, your
Yes,
away,
that's true.
away kayo ng away ng mami mo. But then when you grow older and then you have your own child,
Marirealize mo na,
it's for your own good
kaya
pala.
pala gano'n ang mami ko. Pag-iingat lang for me. Yan. If you're taking a hard time na kamukha ko ngayon, kaya kailangan, pwede mo.
Dalawa.
Oo, yan. O, kasi, in a while, talagang bababa na itong ubod. Diba?
Lumiliit po siya.
Yeah, parang ang tawag nila humuhupa.
Humuhupa.
Diba? Yun, no? It becomes smaller. Ayan, it goes down. There. Ayan ako. Maraming natutunan si Marjorie ng mga secrets. Diba?
Ako naman marami natutunan sa pagiging mommy.
Yes. Naku, tapos pag nakinitali, cook din siya. Tapos, para mas masarap, lagay na natin to.
Beer.
Yes. Yan ang ginagamit ko dito.
Yun ang
Yan.
kanyang pampaala.
Yes. Kasi, di ba, fish sauce is very universal, di ba? In almost anything that you cook, pwede mo siyang isama or isahog. Yan. See that? Tapos ngayon, mamaya, ibabalot na natin siya. I'll show you how to do your own wrapper.
Wow, from scratch.
Yes. When we come back, gagawa tayo ng fresh lumpia wrapper. Then, we will assemble our fresh lumpia. Stick around. We'll be back from Helen's Kitchen.
Up next from Helen's Kitchen.
Pagka medyo yung edge niya para nagiging brown na, pwede mo na siyang alisin. You have to flip it. Yes. We have to flip
Made
it.
with love talaga siya.
Bravo.
Is it? We are still here, ready to prepare our fresh lumpia wrapper, together with Pauline and Marjorie. Okay, let's do this, Marjorie.
Yes.
Ano ang ingredients para sa fresh lumpia?
For our lumpia wrapper, this is what we will need. Eggs, 1 cup cornstarch, and 1 cup milk. O, yun lang.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it! Meron tayo nun sa ating pantry. Definitely, we have milk.
Yes, and for
And
garnish,
cornstarch. Oh, for garnish, tita.
Yes.
We have 1 soy,
Yes.
spring onion, and lettuce.
that's it.
That's it.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
I'll put
First ingredient.
first the milk.
Milk.
Yan. Tapos, ang ating cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Actually, pwede ng ganyan.
Okay.
There. Tapos,
Egg.
one egg.
Oh.
There. And then, have to mix it well.
In a large bowl
Mhm.
there.
Kasi ito ang iluluto natin dito para maging lumpia wrapper. So, hindi ba? Kayo na lang ang gagawa. Hindi na kayo bibili. Tsaka alam niyo nang gawin.
Tsaka nothing beats yung freshly made.
Yes, di ba? From scratch.
Kasi yung bibili ka ng gawa na.
Yan.
Nakaka-proud pa. Ako gumawa nila.
Oo, from
Yan.
scratch.
Okay, put this
Okay.
on. That's it. So, I'll
So,
turn
para
it to
po
the
ba
left.
siyang gumagawa ka rin ng crepe?
Crepe.
Oh,
Yeah. Tapos, siyempre meron tayong measuring cup. Ito.
Okay.
So,
And
this is
is
half cup.
half cup.
One half.
Half cup.
Yan. Pag mainit na siya, pwede na. Tapos yung, we will put this aside kasi yung maluluto,
Diyan natin sa
lalagay
pan,
natin
okay.
dito.
Okay.
Can we wipe that there? Buti na lang, Marjorie, everything here that we need is within reach.
Yeah, you designed your kitchen that way,
Diba?
tita.
Yeah.
Sarap naman
Ayan.
magka-kitchen ng ganito.
Ayan.
Okay.
So,
Ah,
yeah.
Kaka-intimidate.
Yes. You do this.
Wow.
Yan. Medyo kakanon-kanonin mo.
parang
Mabigat rin yan, tita.
Oo. Tapos put it down. Ayan.
Okay. Check.
Pagka medyo na yung tabi,
Oo.
yung edge niya,
Okay.
para nagiging brown na, pwede mo na siyang alisin. Ipi-flip na natin.
Delicate lang talaga.
Yes.
no?
Yan.
So, hindi na pala yung oil, no? Yung
Walang
pan.
oil. So, yung mga corn shoes.
Oo.
Di ba?
health conscious.
Yes,
This is
diba?
actually a very healthy dish.
Yes.
Yes, it is. At saka maraming may gusto nito. Your family for sure will like it.
Oo.
Diba natuto ka na gumawa ng fresh lumpia wrapper?
Yan.
Pwede rin crepe.
Oo, tita.
Oo. Yan eh. Kasi pag ganun, pero kinakanon ko.
There you go. Okay.
Yan.
Sa plate ko din.
Oo.
Sa plate.
Tapos, we have to flip it.
Flip! Ah!
Yes. We have to flip
Made
it.
with love talaga siya.
So, you will enjoy flipping it.
Bravo.
Is it? Sige
galing
nga,
mo
bravo.
mag-flip.
Malapit na yan. Malapit
Sounds good.
na. Ayan.
Pwede na.
Yan, pwede
Or
na
we
yan.
can slide.
Yeah, we can slide. Oh, okay, slide it.
There.
Wow! Okay na.
Next. Let's do another one. Ayan. Alam mo, sa pagluluto,
Oo.
you always need timing. Hindi pwedeng ganun lang eh. Siyempre, you have to consider a lot of things when you're cooking. Kasi minsan, pagka meron yung maglalagay ka na ganyan, butas-butas, you know, or holes. So, tatapon mo rin, igawa ka na naman ng
Oo.
isa.
Sayang.
It's really part of it. Yan.
Tsaka kailangan talaga ng trial and error
Oh,
siya
yeah,
talaga.
that's true. That's really true. You see, it's easy, di ba?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Lalo na when you get used to it na, ay talagang madaling-madali na. Okay, ito na yung wrapper natin.
We put in the lettuce na.
Yes, ito muna pala.
Lettuce. Okay.
Yes. And then, we'll have little one soy.
1 soy.
Yes. And then,
Spring
onion. Isa lang. Just
isa
break
lang,
one
okay.
sprig. Tapos, lagay na natin ito. Yan. There. And then, we'll roll it.
Talaga.
Yan. There.
Made with love.
There. Tapos, lalagay natin dito. Yan. So, siguro, dito na natin ilagay ito para hindi masyadong malayo.
Kailangan ba
Yan.
natin ng
And then,
wax?
yes, we have to. Good thing.
Parang
You
restaurant
reminded
talaga.
me. Yes.
Parang
Ayan.
restaurant.
Oo nga.
There. Oh, see?
Very
Yes.
nice.
Diba?
Para talaga sa
Parang restaurant talaga, tita.
Yes. Kunwari, restaurant.
Nice.
Naku, sigurado ko mas masarap pa to kaysa sa restaurant.
Yes. I can tell.
Okay. Our second. Yan.
Lettuce, one
Your
soy.
lettuce, one soy. Kasi sometimes we cannot put too much one soy, masyadong matapang.
Oo, malakas po
And
yung lasa
others
niya.
might not like it.
Oo.
Tapos one, ano lang, spray. Tapos ilalabas mo yung dulo para magandang tingnan.
Oo, grabe no, may arte pa si tita talaga.
Yan, di ba?
Art direction.
Yeah. Ay. Yan. Tapos, let's do this. And then, let's
Wow.
roll it again. And then, another roll.
And
And
the wax
then, the wax paper.
There.
Professional na professional.
Yes. Yan. There. There.
Oh, wow, this is
Meron na tayong lumpiang sariwa na nakabalot na sa fresh lumpia wrapper. Eh, paano naman ang sauce?
Okay.
Yan, ang gusto ko na.
Marjorie. We're going-
Now, for our lumpia sauce, tita, here are the ingredients. 5 cups water, 1 cup cornstarch, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 5 tablespoons peanuts, 1 tablespoon garlic, and 4 tablespoons white
Yes.
sugar. Yes.
So, ito yung lalong mas papasarap. Okay.
5 cups of
Put it on.
water.
Yes. Okay, let's put 5 cups of water.
Okay, yan.
Yeah, this is 5 cups.
Kailangan boiled siya, tita.
Yes. And then, 1 cup of
Cornstarch.
cornstarch. Okay.
And then soy
Soy
sauce.
And then our sugar.
I-balance it out.
Ayan. Okay. Yan. Pag kumulo na ng kumulo ito, hanggang mamaya, while it's boiling, halo ako ng halo. Yan.
Parang risotto, kailangan.
Yes.
Halo. Halo ng halo.
Pag nangalay na,
Yan.
kailangan na.
Yes. Okay, ayan o, nag-brown na. See? Nag-brown na yung sarsa natin. It's time for me to add, you notice, parang mas durog pa siya sa beans, di ba? You know why I do this? Para very well, distributed yung ating garlic.
Para hindi po
At saka
siya
hindi buo-buo. Lahat talaga,
right.
oo. So, I'll put it on here. Tapos, I'll mix it with this one para it's well distributed. Yan.
So, garlicky.
Yes,
yung
a
taste
garlic,
mo talaga.
yes, no. But you can also do it, let's say, minced garlic. Okay na yun. Tapos,
Pero mas maganda din nga po yan para wala kang makakagat na garlic. Kasi
oo,
maanghang yung garlic.
Oto mo, hindi mo na makita ko na sa inyo yung
Oo,
garlic, di ba?
siya.
Yes, tapos, well, you know, I really like, peanuts. Kaya, pag ganito, pansarsa, sarsa, I put more. Others would put very, just, siguro ganyan lang. No?
But
Ang
you,
gagawin na,
Extra nuts.
you ask me, I'll put it all. Kaya lang, what we can do, lalagay natin yung half. Pagkatapos, pag magsiserve na tayo, lalagyan pa natin ng garlic. At saka, and rather, ng peanut na lang on top.
Okay.
Kaya maganda siyang tingnan, kasabay nito. Itong ating,
Garnishing.
yes, let's see. Oh, ayan na.
Yes, right.
Pwede na ako mag-serve. We will taste all our dishes when we come back. So see you after the break.
Up next from Helen's Kitchen.
Sobrang lasa. It's really this
diba?
sago is a pleasant
Eh,
surprise.
It's time for another cool day in the kitchen. I am Helen Gamboa Soto, inviting you to stick around for more of my family favorites. If there is one thing that everyone enjoys, it is ice cream. Para sa mga kids from all ages, basta sabihin ice cream, sasaya ang usapan, di ba? There are so many ice cream places in the country. Pero para sa akin, wala pa rin tatalo sa original ice cream ng bayan. Magnolia Ice Cream. For today, let's take a journey of familiar Magnolia flavors using the Magnolia Ice Cream Classic Collection. We will be making milkshakes with a twist using vanilla, ube, and chocolate. Ang Magnolia Classic flavors ay thick and creamy, kaya siguradong magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. We will be making 3 different milkshakes. For the first one, we will be using Magnolia Classic Vanilla. We will be using crushed ice, Magnolia Full Cream Milk, condensed milk, leche flan, and Magnolia Classic Vanilla Ice Cream. We'll start with milk, followed by condensed milk. Let's put crushed ice. Ang superstar natin, ang Magnolia Vanilla Ice Cream. Okay, let's try it. Put it in a glass. Lagyan na natin ng leche flan. Put our straw. Yan. Next milkshake, we will be using the following: crushed ice, Magnolia full cream milk, condensed milk, Yema, and Magnolia Classic Ube ice cream. Start with milk. Our condensed milk, crushed ice cream, wow. Glass. Top it with our Yema bits. For our last milkshake, we will be using crushed ice, Magnolia full cream milk, condensed milk, chocolate cookies, and Magnolia classic chocolate ice cream. Milk naman, condensed milk, crushed ice, Magnolia chocolate ice cream. Wow. Oh, lovely. 2 scoops and 3. There. Naku, napaka-cute. Here, 3 flavorful milkshakes using the thick and creamy Magnolia Classic ice cream flavors. You can buy your favorite Magnolia Classic ice cream flavors in leading supermarkets and groceries nationwide. I am Helen Gamboa Soto. Hope you enjoyed watching me make some of my family favorites. Have a nice day. It's time to eat here in my kitchen. Go ahead and enjoy the food.
Oh, this one.
Come
I'm so
on.
excited.
Go.
Unahin ko yung molo soup.
Yes, okay.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
so
you can
excited.
cut it. Yan.
Okay, tita, I'm
Yeah,
gonna try to
try.
the sago right
See,
away.
you could see the shrimp.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
lumulutang ang kanyang.
Yeah.
Talaga.
Diba?
Worth
Oh.
it.
Maluluto nyo na ngayon.
Ang
yan.
oras.
Alam na ninyo ni Marge.
Na inilaan
Diba,
natin para
Marge?
sa lumpia. Ang sarap.
Oh.
Sobrang lasa. It's really ano ha? This,
Yeah,
this
diba?
sago is a pleasant
Eh, it-
surprise.
You
Why
know,
di ka
did
naisip
you
mo
notice
to?
that the sago, it makes up a lot for the molo? No? Wait,
Very
I'll
good,
get
tita.
something.
What time yung sago? Inuna ko yung sago.
Here,
Thank you, tita.
this is for you.
I'll try the
Bagay
dumpling.
nga siya.
Naisip mo pa yun, tita?
Diba? Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna try the dumpling na.
Yeah.
Ang
You
daming
try it.
lasang nangyayari na nagko-complement naman sa isa't isa.
Ayan. Oh.
Good.
Oh, diba? The dumplings, diba?
Ito na
Sarap.
yung dumplings natin.
Oh. Dumplings ninyo. Okay.
Sarap. Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
So, Ate Helen, yung orange na yun, yan yung parang...
Yes, yan yung
shrimp.
dinik-dik na ulo ng hipon.
Sarap
Kasi mas nagpapadagdag siya.
ng flavor.
Yan ang flavor. Lalong sumasarap yung niluto mong molo pag merong ganyan. Oh, what do you say, Marge?
Tita, you're the best.
Pag niluto mo yan sa mga anak mo,
You're the
yan din
best.
ang sasabihin sa'yo.
Grabe yung sauce. I like that you put so much peanut.
Yeah. Di ba? Sarap pagka more peanut. Tapos yung garlic, di ba? Well distributed, di ba?
Wow, this is really perfect.
I would prepare your pabaon.
Thank you, tita. I have to share
Yeah,
this
it's
at
here.
home.
Yes, of course, it's
Thank you
here.
very much.
Yeah, this is
Thank
for
you,
your
tita.
lumpiang ubo.
Thank
This is
you
for
very
your
much,
molo.
Perfect.
There.
Thank you so much.
Yan. Pero gusto ko, ubusin mo yan.
Uubusin ko talaga,
Oo,
tita.
kasi sayang siya.
Pero yung pabaon ko talaga is what I learned
Yes.
today.
I hope you can prepare these dishes at your home. Thank you for sharing your time with us only here
From Helen's Kitchen.